Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name's Christine and today is Sunday, so we have guests coming midweek and I'm almost out of my dough that I keep in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna be making up a quick batch that you can use for breakfast, lunch, and dinner basically. You can use it for cinnamon rolls or breadsticks or flatbread or pizza crust. So pretty much anything. So I just thought I'd bring you with while I whipped it together real quick. So come on with. Okay friends, this is super simple. I just wanted to show you real quick. I'm down to my last little bit. I've just got this for maybe one more portion of cinnamon rolls or something, but I just keep it and it's just like ooey gooey delicious. You can make anything out of it. I made cinnamon rolls and pizza crust, and I made Italian breadsticks for when we had an Italian spaghetti meal, and etc. So I'm out of it, and like I said, we've got friends coming, so it's just literally 4 little ingredients here. So first things first, I'm gonna take 1.5 cups of warm water, which I did take it out of my Berkey and warmed it up a little bit. So I'm gonna put this in my bowl, 1.5 cups. And then I just have my active dry yeast, and I believe one of these is a tablespoon. So you take 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast. I'm just gonna snip that little corner open so it's easier to pour, and put that right in my tablespoon. We'll see, I'm pretty sure that this is 1 full tablespoon. Yep, add that in there. And I'm just going to kind of make sure I got everything out of the package. Okay, and then I'm just going to kind of whisk this a little bit with my Danish dough whisk. See that it's working. And you have to let this sit aside for about an hour before you add it, before you bring it over and put it in the fridge. But it's good in your refrigerator up to 2 weeks. So you can literally grab and go the portion size that you need. And yeah, super simple. All right, this looks like it's pretty active. Put this in here. And then I'm gonna I do have organic flour, but you can use any all-purpose flour. So I'm going to do 3 1/4 cups of flour. And you don't have to add it slowly or anything. This is going to be a no knead. So there's 1 cup, 2 cups, 3, and then my little 1/4 cup here. Actually, I'm going to keep my 1/4 cup out because I have to feed my sourdough starter too. Okay. And then salt is, you know, your own preference. I do love my Redmond's real salt. So I'm going to add just like, I don't know, like 1 tablespoon of that. And that's it. Simple dimple. So now you want to mix this as thorough as you can. So I'm going to start with this, and then you can see that it's really kind of gathering some steam here. And you want to make sure that all the flour is combined with the water. And then you set it in a warm place. What I'll probably do for the next hour is it is a warm day today, but I'm probably going to put it in my refrigerator, in my oven, to make sure that it has like a warm place. Not the refrigerator quite yet. And then you just kind of let it do its thing for the next hour or so. And I love these. I don't know if you've ever used these, but these Danish dough whisks, like everything just it literally, look at that, it just like falls right off. I just love this thing. And I actually, if you saw my Goodwill video, I found one of those in one of those bags that were on the back wall. So All right, so now I'm gonna get down into it with my hands. My one hand, I believe. I do have a ring on, but that's fine. And you really want it, just kind of fold it. And make sure all of that flour is mixed in. And that's it. So now my only other recommendation is when you do go to pull a piece off, so when you go to pull something off to use it, just make sure your hands are wet, and it just makes it so much easier. And that's about it, guys. And then what I'll do is I'm gonna let this sit for an hour, and then I'll show you the final result that I'm gonna put in the refrigerator. That's it, and I'll see you in an hour. Okay friends, the hour timer went off, and the dough, you can kind of feel that it's warm in the bottom here, is super active. And I just wanted to show you how I store it. I just have one of my lidded Pyrex things, and I'm gonna take it out. And that's it. Super simple. And so when I go to grab a piece out, I try to always make sure my hands are wet, and it makes things a little bit easier. And I'm gonna put the lid on. Maybe. And voila. That's it. Now I just got a little bit of a mess to clean up. So, okay friends, how simple was that? So 4 ingredients, 5-minute prep, 1 hour later, and it's going in the fridge for the next 2 weeks to grab and go. I know the first thing I'll probably make when our friend is here is going to be cinnamon rolls, and he's Italian, so we'll probably have some kind of Italian meal, whether it's pizza or spaghetti. So I'll be using the dough for sure, either on garlic breadsticks or the pizza crust. So I appreciate you coming along with, and if this video was helpful, just hit that like button or subscribe if you're interested in videos like this. I do dehydrating, water bath canning, pressure canning, preparedness, self-care, Goodwill hauls, all kinds of fun stuff. So appreciate it, and I'll see you next time on Christine's Routines. Take care and God bless. And show you super fast. So, la la la, junkety junk. And then we have a couple of guests coming, so it should be okay just to utilize. You don't really care about that, do you? Hit that subscribe button, maybe the like button too.